So I'm going to show you how to upload properties on WordPress website from the backend. As you can see, we already have the website. This is the front end of the website. Let's check it out first. And these are the mock properties that we have. We're going to change this. So we are using a plugin called Estatik. Static is a real estate plugin, right? So let's go back to the dashboard and we open a static here. We look for a static at the left corner of the screen. So from here you can see the dashboard, my listings, add a new property. But let's just open everything so we can see what a static is all about in one go. Right, so we have my listings, the settings. I've done all the settings. I can make another videos on settings, and in the settings you can change the pricing, you can change location, and field builders, you can even add new fields. So but this is for listing, so let's go to add new property. Right, I've already copied the property from here. So I already have a property here, so I just paste it. um then you add the title. So this is I don't know why it's executive. Let's just keep it at 5 bedroom detached duplex and BQ for sale. Keep it clean. Then the location is, so you scroll down here, scroll down here. This is where you add details about the property. So based on what I have on my clipboard, this is 2.3 billion. So let's start counting the zeros now. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jesus. Okay. Um, see if I'm correct. So, okay, so this is 2.3 billion, right? That's 9 zeros. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I hope this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Alright, there we have. Okay, now that we have our pricing correct, as you can see, the Naira sign is already there. So you can change the settings to dollars, pounds, euros, cedis, whatever denomination you want to change it to. I'll show you how to change that later, like I said. So this is a 5 bedroom, right? 6 bathroom, and total rooms five. Sorry, total rooms will be six plus a BQ. So 2 floors, and total area. Let's confirm from our brief. Okay, we don't have a total area here, so I'm just gonna leave that blank for now. So you can choose it as a featured post, right? The featured post would show and it have a special display, basically featured, different from other regular postings, right? So it has higher priority, so to speak, right? So this is just listed. We're not doing open house. If we're doing open house, you can open this and you can set appointments and everything for people to visit and all. But we're not doing open house for this property. So then click on location on the property info. I haven't set up the Google Maps API yet. So this is going to display the map location right on the property listings. So what I just do is I'm still going to show you how to set up property the map location with Google Maps too. But for now, let's just copy the location manually. So let's just copy the location manually. Um, okay, so that is the location. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Let's add pictures. Yeah, I have a folder of the picture on my laptop. I just grab that real quick, copy all, and upload it. So I'm gonna pause this while that is uploading. So not to waste too much time in this video. See you guys in a second. So yeah, the properties, the pictures are done uploading, and you can see from here it's a cover photo. So this is the photo that's going to be on the front page of this property, right? You can easily change it by just grabbing and dropping, but I think I like this photo better as the cover photo. You can add caption if you want. This is good for SEO as well. So I'm just gonna do that. Bedroom. Okay, so the next thing is adding documents. If you have documents for the properties, you can click on this, upload them PDF files. Then if you have the floor plan as well, then YouTube videos as well for this property. Um, I'm going to be uploading a video for this property, but not now because I have to upload them on the YouTube channel first. So once I do that, I'm going to make another video on how to do. But it's very simple. Basically, just copy the YouTube link and drop it in here. So okay, so the next thing here will be the building details. If your building has a cooling feature, you can input them here. Heating feature, you can input the garage space, right number of garage. This accommodates up to 5 cars, so you just leave 5 there. Right, then you can look at the left hand side of this page, right? So look at the left hand side. There's categories here. So these categories, you can set your categories beforehand, but it's good to categorize properties. So you can call them buildings, right? I can have categories for buildings, land, you know, various categories. Basically, you're not limited by what you can put here. It depends on the categories you want. So type is it's not for rent. Let's say for sale. Then rent period, this does not apply. Status available. Then parking, we've already done this. So this does not apply. This doesn't apply. So roofing, external exterior material. Basically, you get the drift. These are extra details that you put on the property. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the front end, so you can get it. So neighborhood is upper, right? Like so, and tags are things like swimming pool, and again you can set this beforehand. So what you just need to do is choose from common tags, and but as you can see, I haven't. This is a fresh upload, so no tags yet. So swimming pool, um, it has a cinema. I can spell cinema correctly. Okay, then what else? What other feature does it have? CCTV, internet, all right, and so on and so forth. Get the idea. So this is another one for you know. So let's look at what we did again, right? And I think for now we can remove um, this information from here since we already have them. Yeah, so we leave it, we clean it up like this. Mm. Clean up the property details like that, and okay, I think we're good. Just trying to verify. I'll just keep the contact details down here for now. So once you're done with that, you come to the left hand side again, make sure everything is good, then you click on publish, and voila, you have your property listed live on your WordPress site with the Estatic plugin. So you can copy this link, share it with your customer, promote it on social media, or run ads, run Google ads, to this link. Yeah, so basically, let's check it out on the front end, see what it looks like. Uploaded nicely. Look at the featured, 5 bedrooms, peanut big chest there, the price is there, and all the pictures are there as well. So, yeah, see you guys in the next one.